today I'm gonna explain what 것 같다 is in Korean. Okay, let's get started. 것 같다 means I think or it seems to in English, and it's conjugated to 것 같아요 in present. Present. Used with verbs. So there are two cases: used with verbs or with adjectives. Let's start with verbs first. So this is something you need to memorize first. Present tense, 는 것 같다. And past tense, 니은 consonant or 은 것 같아, or this double consonant, and 던 것 같다. Either is fine. And future tense, 리을 or 을 것 같다. Future tense. Okay. So first, 는 것 같다. Present tense. 지금 비가 와요. It's raining now. That's a basic sentence, right? 지금 비가 와요. It sounds like you're very sure or statement or fact. Then you use this basic sentence. 지금 비가 와요. It's the fact that it's raining now. Everyone agrees. But if you say 지금 비가 오는 것 같아요, here, 는 것 같아요, then I think it's raining now. That means different, even in English, right? So maybe you heard the sound or you saw the raindrop from inside. So you say, I think it's raining now. Maybe it's true or not. Okay. 비가 오다 plus 는 것 같다. 비가 오는 것 같아요. This. Okay. Next one. 리사는 지금 방에 있어요. Lisa is in her room now. 리사는 지금 방에 있어요. Basic sentence. But if you say 리사는 지금 방에 있는 것 같아요, like this, 있는 것 같아요, then I think Lisa's in a room now. You're not sure, not 100% sure. Okay, maybe she's not in the room now. Okay, 방에 있다 and 있는 것 같다. 방에 있는 것 같아요. Okay, this. Next one, past tense here. Next one is past tense. 니은 or 은 것 같다 or double consonant 던 것 같아. Past tense. First, 어제 비가 왔어요. It rained yesterday. It sounds very sure. Sounds very sure and statement fact. Okay, it rained yesterday. But if you say 어제 비가 온 것 같아요. 온 것 같아요. 비가 오다 plus 니은 것 같아. Then 비가 온 것 같아요. Or 어제 비가 왔던 것 같아요. This could be a bit confusing, but pause a little bit and check the previous slide here again. This is something you need to memorize first. Then you understand how it's conjugated differently here. 어제 비가 왔던 것 같아요. Here 비가 와. The present tense 와요 from 와요. 비가 와 and then double consonant 던 것 같다. Then here these two are conjugated differently. Keep that in mind. But they mean I think it rained yesterday. Maybe it's not true. Maybe true or no. 온 것 같아요. 왔던 것 같아요. Okay. Next one, another past tense example. 저번 주에 먹었어요. I ate it last week. 저번 주에, let's say, 저번 주에 한국 음식을 먹었어요. I ate Korean food last week. But if you say 저번 주에 먹은 것 같아요. 먹은 것 같아요. 먹다 and then 은 것 같아 here. 은 것 같다. or 저번 주에 먹었던 것 같아요. 먹었던 것 같아요. 먹어요. 먹어 플러스 double consonant and 던 것 같다. 먹었던 것 같아요. Then I think I ate yesterday. Last week, sorry. Here, typo. Last week. Okay. I think I ate it last week. So, you're not really sure if you ate it last week or not. Maybe because it's been a while, so you're not remembering it clearly. Then in this case, 저번 주에 먹은 것 같아요. I think I had it yesterday, last week. or 저번 주에 먹었던 것 같아요. Like this. Okay. Then next one, future tense. Future tense. 리을 or 을 것 같아. 내일 비가 올 거예요. It's going to rain tomorrow. Sounds very sure. Maybe because there's already cloud in the sky, and it seems like it's definitely gonna rain tomorrow. Then you can use this one. 내일 비가 올 거예요. With very high chance it's gonna rain. Then 내일 비가 올 거예요. But if you're not as sure as this one, then you can use this one. 내일 비가 올 것 같아요. 비가 오다 플러스 리을 올 것 같아. 비가 올 것 같아요. I think it's gonna rain tomorrow. You think. You feel like it's gonna rain tomorrow. Okay, that's different. 리사가 내일 저녁에 갈 거예요. Lisa is going tomorrow night. 갈 거예요. Just basic future tense, right? But if you say 리사가 내일 저녁에 갈 것 같아요, we use this 것 같아요 and then 리을 here, right? With 가다. Then I think Lisa is going tomorrow night. Maybe you should check it again to confirm this 100%. But at the moment, you're not 100% sure. Lisa is going tomorrow night. Okay, you think. Okay. And the other one is when it's used with adjectives. Adjective. It's a bit different. Okay, so let's go back to the here with the verbs and let's compare. Here, this. So upper one is used with adjective. Also, this is something you should memorize, but I recommend you memorizing them with examples, not just like this. It will be a bit confusing with to study without examples. Okay, memorize with actual examples. Okay, and use with verbs here. Okay, these two they're different. Future tense is same, but the present tense and past tense are somewhat different. Okay. Okay, here used with adjectives. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Here 이 바다는 깊어요. 바다 is ocean. This ocean is deep. 깊다. 깊어요. Present tense. 이 바다는 if you conjugate it to this 이 바다는 깊은 것 같아요. 깊은 것 같아요. 은 것 같아요 here. 은 것 같아요. From this. 은 것 같아요. Present. Then I think this ocean is deep. And 이 바다는 깊었던 것 같아요. Past tense. 깊었던 것 같아요. Then I think this ocean was deep. And 이 바다는 깊을 것 같아요. I think this ocean will be deep. Future tense. Different. 깊은 것 같아요. 깊었던 것 같아요. 깊었던 것 같아요. From here. 깊었던 것 같아요. And 깊을 것 같아요. Like this. Okay. Next one. 이 도시는 정말 예뻐요. 예쁘다. Pretty. 이 도시는 정말 예뻐요. This city is really pretty or beautiful. 이 도시는 정말 예쁜 것 같아요. 예쁘다. 예쁜 것 같아요. From here. 니은 것 같아. 예쁜 것 같아요. 근데 이 도시는 정말 예뻤던 것 같아요. 예뻤던 것 같아요. Then here. 예뻤던 것 같아요. 던 것 같아요. Okay. And then 이 도시는 정말 예쁠 것 같아요. 예쁘다. 예쁠 것 같아요. 예쁘다. 것 같아. then 예쁠 것 같아요. This city will be very pretty. This city, I think this city was really pretty. I think this city is really pretty. Okay. But there are exceptions. like 춥다, 맵다, 덥다. They're conjugated to, as you already know, they're conjugated to 추워요, cold, 매워요, spicy, 더워요, hot. But depending on the tense, they are a bit, they're conjugated a bit differently. So past, 추워, 매워, 더워. But present and future tense, you gotta get rid of this a vowel here. 추우, 매우, 더우. Let's have a look. Here. 오늘 정말 추워요. It's really cold today, right? It's really cold today. But with the here with the present tense, here's present tense. Sorry, present, past, and future. With the present tense, here like this, you gotta get rid of the vowel here. So you get 추운 것 같아요. 추운 것 같아요, right here. Not 추운 것 같아요 here. No. This is there's no really logical explanation behind this. It's just how people say this. Okay. Present 추운 것 같아요. And then future tense 추울 것 같아요. Okay. Not 추울 것 같아요. You gotta get rid of the a vowel with this future and present tense. But with the past tense, you keep the vowel. 추웠던 것 같아요. Not 추웠던 것 같아요. Unlike present and future. Okay. I know it's very confusing. There are lots to memorize, to study. But this 것 같아, it's really one of the things that are used every day in Korean. So just if you don't get this concept clearly at once, then I recommend you to repeat this video a couple of times and make sure that you study these concepts with examples, actual examples, and Yes, that will be helpful. Okay. Thank you for watching. And feel free to leave a comment if you have any question. Then I hope this was helpful. Bye bye.